that cemetery. Soldiers, soldiers only, and presidents. Si Marcos, whether or not maniwala sila na sundalo, wag na yan, was a president at one time sa ating. Abogado ho ako. Katundat yung sentimento. Eh, kaibigan ko, Bongbong, nagmumotor rin eh. Ay, may mga kaibigan kami, purong sabihin mo na special for me to break the law, of course not. I really allowed it because the law itself allows it. Hindi sabihin na kaibigan ko sa amin, pero kaibigan kami. But what was not really the concern? Kasi pag